I apologize for interrupting. One more time. 102 Mobile, Miami. Southwest controller and equalizer in Trinidad. Roger, Roger, Mr. Number One in the island of Trinidad. This is the second time that I make contact with you. It's been a pleasure, my friend. 73s, and thank you for acknowledging my signal. Roger, Roger, my friend. Thank you very much for the flowers. Yeah, you're making a lot of noise down here as well. And yeah, Southwest controller, it's in the southwest of Miami. And right now I am on the northwest side of Miami. But yeah, very nice person. Roger, Roger. We're about 25, 30 miles away, maybe. All right, Mr. Number One in the island of Trinidad. 102 Mobile, Miami, 73s, I'm back quiet.